code-genie.ai, AI in the future. I entered the car from the passenger's side. Crystal was waiting for me in the driver's seat. She was wearing a blue dress, heels, with short blonde hair and a nifty sparkles French necklace. It was a little cloudy but no rain so far. I had enough time to get to the meeting so there was no rush. "Why the long face today, Rohan?" she said. "Just a bit distracted. I didn't get as much done on the book this week as I wanted to," I responded. "Still stuck on chapter 7, she said as the Porsche took off and we headed towards the coast. "We have enough time to take in the ocean on the way to the meeting. What do you think?" It was a great idea and she knew exactly how to get me back in a good mood. Crystal's theory of mind algorithm was the latest. Out of the box she was good, but with the ongoing training from her observation of my emotions she was right on. The top of the car was down but her physical manifestation was amazing. Her hair was blowing in the wind and her facial emotions were right on. The follow-up smile had great timing. This chauffeur model of the autonomous Porsche brought my AI driver to life. The physical presence is limited to the car, but she's pretty good for a nice chat on the way to work. She dropped me off in front of the building before driving away. Just on time, as always, and was feeling much better about my day. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai. Please click the subscribe